Hey guys, welcome back. So one of the Gold Mafia crew finally came forward and apologized. Psych! The guy doubled down. He's going in with the lie, man. He's going even deeper. Just look at this.
Is Ricky Doolan, and I'm a proud British man. I'm also a businessman, and as any businessman, I represent my interests. I want to say this to you. I love Zimbabwe. It's dear to my heart as a nation and as a people. But I am a British businessman, and I don't apologize for being that. However, I'm so disappointed that a good man who is passionate about Zimbabwe is being penalized by imperialist-funded affiliates of Al Jazeera simply for trying hard to help fellow Zimbabweans. Firstly, I want to lay some facts down. Fact: fake news media is rife, and it's so active that you can never believe a narrative that mainstream media is pushing, especially one that is state-funded like Al Jazeera. Another fact: the documentary that's circulating right now is brutally edited to portray a false narrative. I'm not a gold dealer, and I never have been. So what they're pushing is a false narrative. Another fact: these fake journalists, business people, they approached me with the now known to be a false proposal, of course, of building a $1.2 billion hotel in Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, which would have been an outstanding achievement for the nation and its people, whilst it would have also lined up with Ambassador Angel's mandate of increasing the brand of Zimbabwe. They are presenting this
So this guy is trying to say that 1.5 million people who saw the documentary as it was and can tell that this is going on. The gold of the Zimbabwean gold is being smuggled out, and the proceeds of that gold is going to the selected few. And all that was just for what? No, wait, he's saying he did not lie. The whole thing was a lie. Also, he's a businessman. Hey, and he's from the UK. He's not going to apologize to be a businessman. He loves Zimbabwean people. Yeah, he does. He does. That's why he's taking all their gold, because he really loves them so much. He can't let them have their own gold. And, oh, come on. They're taking the poor man of God's name. They're just dragging it in the mud. Come on, guys. Like, these guys are caught red-handed. There is nothing, there is no more lie. You know what I mean? Like, you can lie to a certain extent and then a lie just catch up with you. You know what I mean? So I feel like this guy, he is digging himself even deeper in this hole. And he is digging everybody in this deep hole. Like, the top guys are quiet because that's how you do it in Africa. For him, he's trying to, like, he knows he messed up, and he's trying to clean his name or trying to backtrack, but it's too late. So we already know that Al Jazeera is fake news. Al Jazeera is fake news. There is no gold that it's been smuggled out of Zimbabwe. Oh, this whole thing was just an act. These guys everybody in the documentary is an actor. They knew where the cameras were. That's why they could look at the cameras and the camera angles and stuff. Get out of here, man. That's a lie. He knows it's a lie. He knows. Like, it's a lie because he can't get his story straight. He's a businessman from the UK. He's trying to help Zimbabwe. He loves people of Zimbabwe. Like, all those things, they just, what? Why? Why do we have to know all these details?
supplied before we got into the negotiation period. And why would they do this, you might ask? It's simple. It's a simple play. It's because the people that were coming to do the negotiations were in doubt. There was doubts that they were legitimately who they said they were. So that needed to be done to test if they were legitimate on this. And they came across genuine to me. But of course, Ambassador believed the intelligence reports. Zimbabwe, you've been wrongfully given painful sanctions. They want to control where and who you sell your gold to, and the rest of your produce too, and even the price thereof. Please wake up to the reality and the real scam that's taking place here. It's so plain to see. Anyone can hate me all they want based on a lie, but facts literally have no feelings. I love Zimbabwe and I hold it close to my heart, and I always will. But I'm British first, and I might have said some very ugly statements during those films, but my statements were done as a businessman wanting to make an impactful, history-changing deal that would be remembered forever. Plus, I used such words.
So this is where we are now. I guess this means that we are not going to get anywhere with this story. We are not going to get any apology. We are not going to get any closure from this. I saw that Hubert Angel was acquitted of all charges because apparently there is no evidence that ties him to the gold smuggling. And you already know that some people have been already arrested. The gold, the little guys, right? The small ones, the 4 guys, what we call them. They were acting on their own. Oh man. The world is a messed up place. The world is a messed up place. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the other side. Hopefully, we are going to be following this topic. Hopefully, we'll get an apology, or somebody from the higher ups will have to address this documentary, because how can you ignore it, right? Is it fake news? Is it people just acting? What is it? What is going on? So, yeah, thank you. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the other side on The African Joe.
And then we use these words in business. This is how we talk in our negotiations. It's dog eat dog. So finally, everyone, please wake up to this. I believe it's the words of the former President Obama, if I get this right. And he once said, "Time is coming where technology will make you say what you didn't say. And now is the time." Always question this one. The one controlling the narrative is the one that must be questioned.